Hello guys, fuck the intro. So let's use a nice picture of a nice woman, yeah? Okay, wrong folder. Sorry guys. Okay, this is the right one. Let's go. This is my sister. No, it's not. It's my girlfriend. Yeah, I wish. Okay, time to be serious now, okay? Let's pretend you edited this picture, and after you're done with your adjustments, you can create a new layer with Ctrl-Shift-Alt-N and paste the visible image on it with Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E. A good practice before resizing is to duplicate this into a new file so you can keep your original untouched. Now you can resize, and finally you can sharpen your picture, so sharpening should be always the last operation you do. Remember that resizing will affect the sharpness already, since you're basically compressing a large amount of information into a smaller picture. Ctrl-Shift-Alt-N and Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E again will make another new layer. And now we don't want to affect the colors, so we desaturate with Ctrl-Shift-U. We set the blending mode to overlay, and if you want you can convert this layer into a smart object so you can edit the filter afterwards. You will understand in a moment. Now we choose filter other IPAS. This is a nice method to sharpen your image because this will work only on the highlights of the picture, on the bright ones and the dark ones, bringing up like the details on those parts of the picture and ignoring basically the gray ones. Try not to overdo. The eyelids, for example, are a nice indicator. Use your taste and choose an amount. As you can see, the skin doesn't look good, but now we will fix this. You want to set the layer mask and click on invert, so you can work with your white brush to sharpen only the parts of the picture you need. This method works very well, especially with portraits, since you can keep the skin smooth and soft without imperfections. Use your creativity and sharpen the parts of the image you think are best. With the smart object conversion we did before, now you can edit the IPAS filter if you're not satisfied with the amount of the sharpening. So that's why I made you convert that to a smart object, but that's not needed. It's up to you. This is the workflow I personally use for my pictures, and yeah, I hope this was helpful, and see you next time. Oh, and obviously fuck the outro.